let me stick to the topic again, Shaina NC. Sanjay Jha says it's laughable that you or the Prime Minister should talk about foreign powers because we need no foreign power. This is all that, the Indira Gandhi era where she spoke of the foreign hand. This is a familiar bogey. There is no foreign hand, says Sanjay Jha.
Padmaja, welcome to Mumbai, and let me please say that I'm glad that the Honorable Prime Minister has spoken to Times Now, and when he spoke to Navika, the one thing that is clear is his vision plan and his trajectory for a growth of an economy which is in the current scenario at the fifth and headed towards the third largest ecosystem world over. Now, if you are going to look at the points he raised, I think there are 2-3 important points. One is that the Congress and the opposition really have no points left to bring out. They have nothing to talk about, and that's why they're trying to shift the focus and try to suggest that, oh, India is in danger, spoil this kind of a image and a growth pattern, get other economies to believe that, oh, we are going to be over. I mean, really, please change the shift and the narrative. The Prime Minister, as a Pradhan Sevak, has ensured Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas for 60 crore Indians that have been part of the Labharti. 55 crore Indians getting 5 lakhs in Ayushman Bharat. 11 crore women getting Ujjwala gas cylinders. 13 crore Indians
when the Prime Minister says... when the Prime Minister says...
He went all over the place.
But here he's talking about the foreign powers. No, hold on a second. Because when he's talking about the foreign powers, the argument is that this foreign power is just an excuse to crack down on critics. You'll say, ये बहुत बोल रहा है, foreign power, जेल में बंद कर दो. ये बहुत बोल रहा है, foreign power, जेल में बंद कर दो.
Look, Padmaja, the fact is that the foreign media, for example, has been anti-India for a while. The foreign ecosystem that you talk about, it is absolutely questionable because India is a power to reckon with. Look at the growth trajectory in these 10 years. This is the first time you don't have an anti-incumbency, you have a pro-incumbency. This is the first time you have a Prime Minister who is on a mission and the other opposition, Shehzada, has a mission of destruction. You have the first time where we're taking every segment and section along and our Labhartis, and the fact that a Viksit Bharat is not a distant dream. 2047 is a reality, and the 100-day plan that the Prime Minister has highlighted is absolutely apparent. So, of course, it will be a kind of conspiracy theory of the select few which are trying to get this foreign mechanism into play and trying to suggest that, oh, democracy is being threatened. All this is utter nonsense. We are here for our vision plan, and our Prime Minister has done just that.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.